This is a 9 geometry SATS question that was asked by students or candidates to find the angle labeled x. So from the question, the angle labeled x were 45 degrees, 120 degrees, 60, and the last option can see. Let's delve right into this by solving it step by step in order not to repeat the same mistake.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
So from the figure, the triangle wasn't labeled. So let's label it P, Q, R. So from triangle PQR, we could see that each side measures B. Each side measures B, and meaning the side PR is equal to the side PQ, and it's also equal to the side QR. They all measure B. So triangle of this type is an equilateral triangle. So the triangle that we see here is an equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangles, the angles are also equal. So how do we calculate the angles? Now angle PQR should be equal to or is equal to angle QRP, which is equal to the angle RPQ, and the angles. So let's label the angle Y. So the angles here are Y. The summation of the interior angles should sum up to 180. So the angle Y plus angle Y plus angle Y should be equal to 180 degrees. So simplifying this, 3y is equal to 180 degrees, and angle Y gives us 60 degrees. So from our triangle, angle Y measures 60. So angle Y measures 60 degrees. But we are asked to find the angle X. So from using the angle properties, angle Y is equal to angle X, and the relation is they are vertically opposite. So angle Y measured 60 degrees, so 60 degrees is equal to angle X. So let's check from the options the one that suits best. So angle X is 60 degrees, and this is the correct option. Now if this video was very helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's make math and science a reality.
Like and share.
Thank you. I'm out.